when we get into the fundamental DD and the Gematria, I am pretty confident this is going to have a breakout in 2022, and it's going to surpass its all-time highs. What's up, everybody? Art Turner, Data Productions Media. Dreams are tangible aspirations where we scheme our dreams into existence. I have another banger for you guys today. We're going to be talking about one of my other Gematria stock plays, BioNano Genomics Incorporated, NASDAQ ticker symbol BNOG. We've had this theme that we're getting prepared and ready for 2022, the year of the B, Saturn. We've talked about it at length, the triple B, B equals 2, right? And so this falls right in line with what we're doing because BioNano Genomics, BNGO, BNGO, is a biotech stock. B. In my last presentation, I talked about how biotech is going to be important next year. And as you see, when we start getting to the charts right now, you see BioNano had a high of about $15 plus, and right now it's been coiling around the $5 mark for quite some time. I mean, shoot, honestly, going back essentially in the middle of August, it started just bouncing around that $5 mark. So it's been coiling, not a lot of volume lately, but that's okay. What we do on this channel, once again, we buy undervalued and cheap growth stocks, okay? Undervalued, cheap growth stocks, so we can get that percentage gain. And so I like its resistance, this support right here at the $5 mark. It's held up strong. When looking at the RSI, it's looking at 44. So it's a little bit under, I would say, fair value right now. It's not overvalued. It's not overbought. So that's good to see. The MACD has been bouncing up and down. So I think we're going to have some, more coiling for a while. A lot of the old popular growth stocks from 2020, because look, 2020 is the same 22 BB. A lot of them took off already for at least the last week and a half, and I was noticing that BNGO was not taking off. So I see that not as a bad thing, but I see that as an opportunity to still get in at a quality price when nobody's talking about it. Because when we get into the fundamental DD and the Gematria, I am pretty confident this is going to have a breakout in 2022, and it's going to surpass its all-time highs. So now let's quickly look at their website. If you go to BioNanoGenomics.com, welcome to Cytopia. Experience new generation cytogenomics with optical genome mapping. And their biggest product, their hot seller, is that Sapphire device for their gene mapping. So that's pretty cool. Also, for your own DD, because you're supposed to do your own DD yourself, I'm just a guide. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment and info purposes. That's all. I'm just giving my opinion. So, but if you are an investor or want to be an investor, you can go to their investor relations tab. It has all their latest news, and they drop a lot of PRs. They're good about dropping PRs. And, they can go to their financial results, the 8Ks, the 10Ks. You can even go to their latest investor presentation. And so let me just bring that up, their investor presentation. Bam. You can go through their PowerPoint and you can learn more. So their CEO is Eric Homeland. Their CFO is Chris Stewart. And you can just go through what they do, right? I'm going to leave that up to you guys, but I'm going to show you where to go. That's the opportunity at hand. Before we get into the Gematria decodes, I want to let you guys know I do have a Patreon page where you can go support Data Productions Media. For only $5 a month, you can get my Gematria stocks, newsletters and notes, early access to my Gematria investments. The BioNano Genomics PDF file is already uploaded, so you can already print that out and really learn yourself and really dig deep into the codings. Esoteric financial gold. I've given a lot of free stuff out, but for the real deal, people who really want to learn, this is where you want to go. Also, I do monthly sports documentaries. On Halloween night, I'm dropping a banger. It's talking about the ESPN Broke documentary, athletes spending their money, athletes getting caught up in investment troubles and stuff like that. So we're going to go all into that. The Robin Hood scandal, Citadel, on a really dope sports documentary. So you don't want to miss that. That's dropping on Halloween on Sunday. That's only $5 a month as well. But say you want both those things, so you can get my Dream Schemers Ultimate Woke Pack, which is $8.63 a month. That's a $1.37 discount. 137 is the 33rd Prime. You can get the Gematria Stocks newsletters and notes and my monthly sports documentaries. That's a banger deal. And, you know, that's really if you want to elevate your esoteric mind. The TV series on Showtime, Billions, accurately depicts the financial world on Wall Street and how it operates. Games within games, chess moves after chess moves. Billions on Showtime accurately represents how corrupt Wall Street is, equals 333 in single reduction, while the show Billions shows the government connection in the finance world, equals 303 in reverse reduction. While many things change within this show, one thing always remains constant. Everyone always has inside information. Insider information is key in finance world, equals 133 in septenary. Insider information is a commodity in the financial world, equals 3,330 in English Sumerian. And conflict of interest is always present as well. Billions portrays that nicely. Attorney General of the United States' wife is the psychologist for the largest investment fund in the world. These two worlds are not supposed to have any connection because of the integrity of the markets.
Came to pay my respects.
Not appropriate.
I knew the man.
Better than you let on, I'm sure.
Before I get into the decodes, I do want to say if you're not in my free Discord, you're really missing out. You know, we have so many people. We're growing every day. We're learning so much from each other. People are growing in the Discord. They're getting better at decoding themselves. You know, it's really a beautiful thing to see. And, you know, it's great for me because I've always said, hey, I want to build my own mystery school. So in a lot of ways, the Discord that you can get in for free with the link below is the D.A.T.A. Productions Media Mystery School, where you can make your money, where you can learn about other things about life, spiritually, and a lot of things that incorporates this matrix. So if you're looking for a community like that, we're open-minded. We don't always agree. There's people that don't agree with some of my stock picks or what I believe in. That's okay. As long as it's respectful and we can have that open dialogue, that's okay with me. But make sure you join that free Discord below because, you know, it could change your life because it's changed mine already, and we're only going to keep growing. And D.A.T.A. Capital investments firm is going to come from that Discord. You know, we're going to have a nice investment firm hedge fund one day. I can see that. But let's get into the BNGO ticker symbol, Gematria. Starting off with the main keywords, BNGO, 38 in English ordinal. Then we have that 16 that's going to play in reverse reduction. BNGO stock, that 106, going along with that 16 because, look, 0 is a zero value placeholder. It also has that 137, that 33rd prime. BioNano Genomics has that 74, which goes back to BNGO stock with 47 in that reverse. Biological technology, you know, we have that 331 in reverse ordinal. So remember, in some cases, you could just take that 1 away, and that's 33. We also have that 74 in Chaldean, going back to BioNano Genomics. That's important. Then you can see right here, BNGO, 38 English ordinal, San Diego, because they are based in San Diego, 38 in reduction. The CEO, Eric Homeland, 38 in the Chaldean cipher. BNGO stock, 106 English ordinal. Biotech, BNGO, 2022, 106 English ordinal as well. You have that 61, so that's reversed of 16. Important. That Sapphire device, Sapphire is 33 in reduction, but it's also 6 letters, 1 word. So 61, get that. Biotech 2022, 33 in Chaldean, along with San Diego, California. So that's big, 33 in Chaldean. Biotech Breakout and San Diego, California, BNGO 2022 is 56 in the Chaldean cipher. Why is that important? Why is 56 important? Society of Jesus equals 56 in the reduction cipher. Look, 56 in that reduction cipher. Then we have cytogenomics, BioNano Genomics, 303 in English ordinal. We have that 133 in Jewish reduction and in the keypad. So again, that's 33 because we can take off that 1. Cytogenomics, BioNano Genomics Incorporated 2022 equals 222 in single reduction. That's when S is 10. And 137 in the septenary cipher, the most divine cipher. BioNano Genomics Incorporated 2 cubed, because remember, we're going in 2022, 2, 0, 2, 2, 3 2s cubed, 330 in English ordinal. BNGO working with large structural variations, 222 in full reduction, but it's with the KV variance, right? With K being 11, V equaling 22. Why is that important? Well, large structural variations. What's the company? What does the company do? The Structural Variation Company. So that's important. Keep that in mind. That's why you do fundamental DD with your Gematria. Keep going further, 2 by 2 by 2 in the English Sumerian cipher, and its reverse is 330. That's important because the English Sumerian cipher is based off 6, right? 2 by 2 by 2. Gene manipulation with BNGO stock, 144 in single reduction, full reduction KV, 441 in reverse ordinal, 330 Jewish ordinal. Why is that important? BioNano Genomics will break out in 2022, 333 English ordinal, but also 144. Back to that. Biotech breakout in 2022, 144. Biotech 33 Jewish reduction. Biological technology stocks will break out in 2022, 222 in single reduction KV. You see where this is going, right? This is why we're early to the party. We have no stress on this channel. Data Productions Media, Data Capital has no stress. We go long and we just dollar cost average. That's the best way to make money with the least amount of risk. The bingo stock, because people say bingo sometimes, like, BINGO, the bingo stock will break out in 2022, 137 in the single reduction, and it's 404 in Francis Bacon. We're going to talk about that going forward for the 44. BNGO, new highs 2022, 137 English ordinal, 74 reduction, 83 Jewish reduction because of the 38 mix, the flip, 137 Jewish ordinal, and 56 Chaldean. Goes back, BNGO, new highs 2022. That's a banger. Biotech breakout, 56. San Diego, California, BNGO 2022, 56 in the Chaldean cipher to go with new highs in 2022. Same cipher. Banger. BNGO will hit an all-time high in 2022, and BioNano Genomics Inc. 2022 success, 137 Jewish reduction, the 33rd prime. We love to see that. And let's get into what the matrix is telling us. We're at this point. Again, I like to be early to things and present it to my community and early enough so they can make decisions for themselves and invest wisely. Buy BNGO late 2021. Well, it has that 61 in reverse reduction. We talked about 61. Right here, Biotech BNGO, 61 in reduction. So that's important. You have that 16 in the mirrors, the 106, right? But also you have that 44 in Chaldean. BNGO 2022 44 English ordinal. So right, You buy BNGO late 2021 with that 44 in the Chaldean cipher, which is important, remember, because it's the voice vibrations and stuff like that. So that's a super pure cipher. That's very important. Then you have BNGO 2022, 44 English ordinal. Right? You buy in 2021 for the breakout in 2022. Bingo stock 2022, 440 in English ordinal. Remember, Bingo, the nickname for it, 2022 spelled out, 440 English ordinal to go with BNGO 2022 by BNGO late 2021. You see this. Then you have by BNGO late 2021 for 2022 breakout. In English extended, it's 2,202. Take the zero off, 222. And also in reverse reduction, it's 133. 33. So guys, you see, BNGO is a great opportunity to get in now at a low price for a high potential in the near future for a solid swing into next year. You got to be patient, but again, you guys got to be ahead of the game with me, all right? I'm giving you guys the opportunity. My track record speaks for itself at this point. If you play this correctly, you'll put yourself in an awesome position starting off next year. So you see the Gematria, and you know what you need to do, all right? Join the free Discord. We would love to have you. If you want that more knowledge and you want to print this out so you can learn more and help support my channel, consider the Patreon. But that's all I have for you guys in this video. Art Turner, D.A.T.A Productions Media. Dreams are tangible aspirations, or we scheme our dreams into existence. I love you all, and I will see you soon.